What's up, YouTube? It's Larry Valley. I'm back again with a quick tutorial video. I'm out here in California. It's about to be a heat wave. Starting tomorrow, it's about to be like from anywhere from 97 to 115 degrees. So, I'm gonna charge my AC on a 1996 BMW Z3. It's a 318i chassis. On this one, you got this right here, and that one back there, high side and low side. I want to go ahead and do it back here. It's not gonna fit otherwise. Here's your attachment. So just want to get yourself some kind of gauge. This is an AC Pro. I've also seen them from like Arctic Frost. There's a lot of different brands that have them, but you want to just take the one that fits. You want to take the one that fits off. If you don't know which one, just and what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze it back like that. Okay. All right, it's on. So now I'm gonna go ahead, and you can't do this without turning your vehicle on and having your AC on full blast. So gotta make sure that you fall into the motor, to the engine bay somewhere on the transmission. I knew it didn't, but just wanted to re-verify. So this is the older car. So you want the AC to be on high. That's actually the AC recirculation. So yeah, so you want to turn your AC on full blast, and then you can go in and pump the refrigerant in. This actually works on pretty much any car, truck. So my system's not really too low. It's actually probably right at full, but I'm actually holding the can now. It's getting cold. And with bigger cans, you're going to be injecting more grams. You look right here, the vehicle VECI, vehicle emissions control information. Or also, this normally on vehicles, especially on BMWs, they have AC increments, and they'll say charge right here 1.98 plus or minus a half a pound. So that's all you got to do, is make sure you don't overcharge your system and don't inject too many grams in. So I have this little can. See, this is 85 grams. Now it depends on the size of your vehicle, how many grams you're injecting into the system. This is a small two-seater car, so. And it was already full almost, so I'm pretty much done now. I'm filled. Alright, this is Larry Valley, guys. So you guys, when charging the system, especially with these bigger cans, this is a small can, but with the bigger cans especially, you're going to be sitting here maybe like 4 to 5 minutes, maybe even sometimes 8 minutes. And so, you know, don't get restless thinking that, oh, it's not going into the system, or it's not charging my car. It's a process, because it has to go through the lines. So it has to go through the receiver driver, the evaporator, condenser, all the pump. So yeah, just be patient, guys, and you'll get there. And then yeah, the vehicle has to be running. AC has to be on full blast in order for this to be effective, and is also, you can't have any leaks in the system. This is a very brief overlook of just how to charge your system really quick if you're low on refrigerant or Freon. New systems have YF12345, and the old systems like this are R134A. And then the old systems are R122 if you have a really old car. But yeah, so this is R134A. This actually has stop leak in it. You know, it's like a $15 can, $12 can, something like that. You can get, I don't really recommend the stop leak. on newer vehicles, but this is an old car, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright guys, it's Larry Valley.